Hello friends, today you're going to create a student project on Powtoon and I'm going to show you how you're going to do it. So first you need to log in or you're going to have to hit sign up. You're going to sign up using your Google account. Go ahead and pick the Google account you would like to use. And then you're going to hit student projects. Once you're at student projects, I would like you to scroll all the way down and pick book reports. You're going to hit edit this template. And now you're going to create your own slides. It's going to take a second. It's going to look like this. And this is going to be the first page. Over here on the left side, you'll see all the other templates that you have. We're not going to use any of these other ones. So let's find the blank one. We'll just go ahead and we're going to delete. We're going to delete all of these. Takes a moment, but just hit the little trash can. And then I'm just going to delete all these that are in here. So you have a blank second page. Let's go back to the first page. We're going to go ahead and we're going to edit this. Right here it says, hello, my name is, and go ahead and enter your name. I'm going to put my name. So go ahead and delete that and just type in your name. Now it says, I'm doing a report on in the book title. You're not doing a report. You're just going to do, I'm doing a student project. And make sure you use a period. I need to make this a little bit bigger so I have a little bit more room. Then I'm going to come down and we're not going to do book title. You're going to do, B capital M capital E. BME for beginning, middle, and end. So now it says, hello, my name is Mrs. Estrada. I'm doing a student project, beginning, middle, and end. Next, I want you to go ahead and click on your person right here. You're going to click swap. Then you're going to have all these people. I want you to pick somebody that is close to what you look like. So I'm going to pick my person here. And I'm going to pick them sitting. They're typing on the computer just like our original picture. So go ahead and click on that. And there you go. You have your first page. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to click on your second page. Now on your second page, you're going to have to change it up a little bit because we need to add some pictures in here. So what you're going to do is you're going to hit swap. And when you hit swap, it says right here that you can add media. So you're going to upload pictures that you find. What I want you to do before you pick the pictures is go ahead and look for pictures on the internet. You're going to look for beginning, middle, and end images. So let's look at sequencing images. Now when I look on these click on these images, I can see pictures of different sequencing events. And you just need to pick a picture that shows maybe at least 3 pictures. So go ahead and look for a picture that maybe just has 3 pictures for you. Nothing that has too many pictures because we just want a beginning, a middle, and an end. I'm going to click on kindergarten. Okay friends, so I found my picture and I'm going to hit Shift Command 3 and I'm going to take a picture of that image. Now I need to crop this image, so I need to go here and I'm going to hit crop. that's going to allow me to crop my image. Click on it again. Didn't pop up. I'm going to hit crop. Here we are. Now I need to take a picture of just one of these apples. So I'm going to go in and I'm going to take a picture of this first apple because that's the beginning part of what an apple looks like. Now I'm going to hit done. Now I need to do another picture. So let me take another picture. And here it is again. I'm going to click on it and I need to crop this one again too. And I'm going to crop the middle image of the apple, which is partly eaten, because that's the middle part. That's when I'm halfway done. And there we go. I'm going to click done. Now I'm going to do this one more time. Shift, Command, 3, take a picture. Here it is again. Pull it up. I'm going to hit crop. And now I need to crop. Oh, sorry friends. I need to crop the last image. And there we go. Those are my images. Now we need to add those to our slides. So I'm going to go back here. I'm going to go back to my Powtoon. And now we can add those pictures in. So go ahead and hit swap. Hit add media. You're going to hit upload. And then I'm going to find all those screenshots that I just took. So now I have to put them in order. So I'm going to hit open, and there's my first one. Whoops, I'm sorry, friends. Let me make this one. I'm going to hit settings. I need to actually delete that because I forgot to add a step in here, friends. So let's go ahead and click on this. And we're going to swap. And we first need to add it's not showing it. Hold on. Let me find it again, friends. So here's my beginning image. We can leave it like that. What I'm going to do next is I'm going to add a ready-made image. And you're going to select the image grid. And you're going to pick the 3 images for beginning, middle, and end. So go ahead and go all the way down. And you're going to pick the image that has 3 boxes. And you want it to go vertically. Where is my vertical one? There's 2, and there's my 3 right there. Now I can go in and I can delete that because I just want the ones that have, 3 images. So from here on this first image, you're going to hit swap. Now you can add the image you want. Well, make sure you hit settings and you hit swap image. Now you can add your image. I'm going to add this one now. So there it is. And I need to make it a little bit smaller so I can see my whole image. So I'm just going to make it smaller so I can see all of it. Keep making it a little bit smaller. If you crop it, you can see how small you need to make it in order to fit it in here. And you just kind of have to play with it, friends. And there we go. It all is lit up in there. And then I can make it just a little bit bigger. But now I see all my apple. Now I need to add my second image. So I'm going to hit settings. I'm going to hit swap image. I'm going to hit add image. Upload. And now I need to find another image. Okay, I picked one. And there's my second image. Now remember, you need to crop it and make it a little bit smaller so it fits into that little screen. So you're going to have to play around with it again, make it smaller so it fits into that highlighted area. And that should be about right. There we go, it's in there. Now I can make it just a little bit bigger. Now I need to add my last image. Make sure you hit Settings, Swap Image, Add an Image, Upload, and lastly I'm going to add my last image in there. And those are the pictures of my 3 apples. So remember to crop it and make it small enough to fit into that area. Right about there. Now I'm going to make this just a little bit bigger. The last thing you need to do is put these in order of beginning, middle, and end. Well, I know that I start with a whole apple. And then my middle part isn't that I have a finished apple, so I need to move this one down. And this is going to come up to my second image. And I'm going to make sure I do my third image. And there I have it. I've created all of my images. So now I have my beginning, my middle, and my end. Now you're going to hit Save up here. And it's saved. Now what you need to do is you need to export it. And you're going to share your link. Now you need to add your description. So I want you to title this with your name. I'm going to put Mrs. Estrada. Then I'm going to hit a category. What category? It's education. And then it needs to be public for everybody to see. Now I'm done and I can hit next. I'm just going to leave it with here because I can't remove the watermarks, and watermarks are included. That's fine. Just export with watermarks. And right now it's creating your video. And just give it a moment. It's a little slow right now, friends. And once you've created it, this is going to pop up on your screen. You're going to copy this image, or copy the link. I'm sorry, friends, copy the link. And there's you can play it. There's your slide. Awesome job, friends. Please let me know if you have any questions on how to do this. The last step that you're going to do is you're going to go to Canvas. When you click on the assignment that you need, here's an example of mine. Click back. When you're going to see your assignment, it's going to say, Submit Assignment. You're going to pop down and it says Website URL. You're going to go ahead and you're just going to hit Control V. It's going to pop up in there, and then you're going to submit your assignment. Let me know if you have any questions. Mrs. Estrada out. Have fun, friends. Bye.